How much can you carry? The clever donkey and his heavy sack. Sandesh has a donkey. It carries sacks full of salt on its back. On the way to the market, they have to cross a river. One day, while crossing the river, the donkey slipped and fell into the river. When it got up, the sacks felt very light. Guess why the sacks felt lighter? Because the sack of salt dissolved in river, so the donkey felt lighter. The donkey was very happy. This also gave it an idea. Next day, while crossing the river, the clever donkey decided to take a dip. This time Sandesh understood the donkey's trick. Let me teach him a lesson. Next day, Sandesh put sacks of woolen cloth in place of salt. Now, what would happen to the donkey when it dipped into the river? Why? The sacks of woolen cloth became heavy on observing water, so the donkey felt heavier. Raju wants to ride a seesaw. Raju needs a friend to ride a seesaw. Rani comes to help Raju, but still Raju cannot ride it. Can you tell why? Raju is heavier or lighter than Rani? Raju is heavier because he is heavy enough to pull down the seesaw on his side. Aslam comes to help them. Look at the picture. Can you tell why the seesaw turned this way? Raju is lighter than Rani and Aslam, as the total weight of Rani and Aslam is more than the weight of Raju. I have an idea. Let me keep my bag with me. We are all enjoying the ride. Heavier or lighter? Which of the two things will make the seesaw go down? Look at the example. Draw a line to match the heavier one. Pumpkin. Draw a line to match the heavier one. Pot. Draw a line to match the heavier one. Jug. Draw a line to match the heavier one. Bucket. Chotu Monkey and the Carrots. Chicky and Mickey Rabbit saw a bag. It had carrots in it. Chicky and Mickey started fighting. I will take bigger carrots. No, I am bigger, so I will take bigger carrots. Chotu Monkey came to help them. We want to share the carrots equally between us, but some carrots are big and some small. What do we do? Chotu Monkey brought something to help them. Guess and tell what Chotu Monkey used to help Chicky and Mickey. Draw a picture of it in the monkey's hand. Chotu Monkey used wing balance to help Chicky and Mickey. Match the picture of the animal with the thing it can carry. Bird, leaf, elephant, wooden logs, donkey, sugar, dog, ball. Counting in tens. Chickens and the clever fox. Ticklo farmer has many chickens in her farm. One day, a clever fox saw these naughty chickens playing around. From that day, she started stealing and eating chickens every day. Ticklo came to know about it. She asked the fox, "Hey, do you eat my chickens?" "No, dear, I am your friend. How can I eat your chickens?" Tiklu thought of counting her chickens every morning and evening, but the chickens kept moving around here and there. She said, I will put 10 chickens in one basket and count them, and if I find any of them missing, I will give the fox a tight slap. In the morning, she counted her chickens. How many baskets of 10 chickens are there? Answer: there are 5 baskets of 10 chickens. How many chickens are there in all? 50 plus 4. There are 54 total chickens. In the evening, she counted the chickens again. There are dash baskets of 10 chickens. Answer: 4. There are dash plus 3 is equal dash chickens in all. Answer: there are 40 plus 3 is equal 43 chickens in all. 54 minus dash is equal dash. Chickens have been eaten by the fox. Answer: 54 minus 43 is equal 11 chickens have been eaten by the fox. How many are these? Bhanu collects sticks from the jungle. He sells them in the market. He uses 10 sticks to make one bundle. 3 bundles have dash sticks. So answer is 30 sticks. Now how many sticks in all are these? 39 sticks in all. 4 bundles would have dash sticks. Answer: 40 sticks. There is a wedding in Malti's house. She is making flower garlands. She uses 10 flowers to make one garland. So there are 50 flowers in all. How many flowers are these? Answer: 67 flowers in all. How many garlands of 10 flowers each can you make using 21 flowers? Answer: using 21 flowers, 2 garlands of 10 flowers each can be made and 1 flower will be left. Leela, can you see all these pencils? How many are these? If you make a good guess, all these will be yours. Let us help Leela. How many packets of 10 pencils are there? Answer: 6 packets of pencils are there. How many pencils are outside the packets? Answer: 4 pencils are outside the packets. So altogether, there are 64 pencils. Kanak likes collecting different kinds of bindis. How many packets does she have? Answer: she has 7 packets of bindis. So, how many bindis in all? Answer: 70 bindis are there in all. For more educational videos, subscribe to Catterick Kids TV.